Let's go birding. He's being crazy. The baby coot. Oh, she's feeding him. So cute. Oh. Little baby grebes. So cute. Teal over here. Crazy. Baby grebes. What is that, babe? Pretty big, huh? Is it a fish, Jake? Wow, look at the egret. So beautiful. Cute. Cute little grebe. Hello. I'm literally obsessed with this baby coot. Oh, puffball. How crazy this grebe looks. Speckled. This grebe's getting a little bit too close. Aww. Nom, 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 nom. And here is Jake. Not sure I've ever seen this duck before. He has a white stripe. Beautiful. Over here we have a family of geese. These babies are a little bit bigger though. They're teenagers. And there's mom, and there's dad. And these are parents looking very stoic. And I wonder if they're maybe sitting on eggs. What kind of bird is that, you think?
Big white chest.
Yeah. We're just looking at all the little feet prints. I don't think this one's a bird though, I'm not sure. Over here we have a teal preening and the goose nesting. So peaceful. Hello. Now there are two. These are some of my favorite birds. The western grebes and Clark's grebes. One of them has the black underneath the red eye and one of them doesn't. I can never get them straight. Heron is so majestic, doing some morning preening. Okay, so there's two cormorants. They're both stretched out. Their wings are so stretched out and they're like facing each other.
I think there's love in the air, babe.
Better competition. Showing off. Look at me, he says. The ladies. Ooh, she wagged her tail. Wow. Oh, she's stretching too.
Really?
Wow. Oh, flap, flap, flap. Didn't like it. Wasn't as impressed, maybe. Ooh, you're getting some bugs. Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Is this your new favorite bird?
It would be fun to be a barn swallow.
You want to be a barn swallow?
Uh-huh. Look how fast they fly. They're so nimble and they just eat bugs. You did dance.
Wow.
Fluff.
Dance. Oh, it's so nice.
Fluff, fluff, dance. Ooh.
Fluff, fluff, dance together? What do you think?
Ooh.
Fluff, fluff, dance. Dance, dance, dance.
She raised her tail.
Ooh. So over here we have the babies. They're not quite baby anymore. They're quite big. Big babies over here. Alright, babe. Did you have fun?
That was a fruitful morning of boarding.